In today's video, I will teach you how to enable Lumise Editor for your product. So let's start it step by step. First of all, go to your product page and click on Lumise Editor tool. Then click on Allow Customize button. Click on Add Product Base button and create your product base. Then click on Create New button. Click on Details option and add your product name. After adding your product name, click on Design option and upload your image for live preview. Select your design area that you want to show your design on, and then click on Save button. After all those settings, click on Update button and go to your product page for live preview. Click on Customize button to check your live preview. So that's how you can enable Lumise Editor for your product.